to another video. For this video, I kind of wanted to focus more on like a self-care day somewhat. It's Saturday, so this isn't like a routine or anything. I just thought I would like do things that I need to do. Why does it look like I have a bald spot on my eyebrow? That's interesting. Oh my gosh. I think this video, I'm gonna name it like self-care. Ooh, should I name it like self-care Saturday? That might be a good title, because it is Saturday. So yeah, I kind of just wanted to do like some self-care things. Like I don't have like an elaborate like routine or anything, but I did want to do my nails. I'm not going to like a salon or anything. I'm just gonna do my nails at home. Right now they're very much like chipped, and I literally hate chipped nails. Like the look of chipped nails, just like, it's just so gross to me. So I let these get pretty badly chipped. So I'm going to do like a manicure. I do need to do my toes. I'm not gonna show you guys that. So I'm gonna do my nails and my toes just at home. And then I saw this girl on TikTok. She did like at home lash extensions, but I don't have like any of the products that she was using. She got like the lash glue. It's kind of like mascara. Like the lash glue she used was like this. It had like a wand, and then she like brushed it on, and then she was able to like put the lash, like the individual lashes on her eyes like that, and it looked so easy. She made it look so easy, and she put them like underneath. She put them underneath her lashes. And I always thought like, wouldn't that like irritate your eyes? Like, I don't know. I've never tried lash extensions or like anything like that. So I have these lashes right here. They're just like individual lashes. I've used them. I used the top row a little while ago. Oh, I guess I used the third row too. There's like none of the third row left. I've only done this one other time, and it wasn't even like to keep them on long term. It was just like to see like how they looked, but I kind of want to try it again. I did like my face makeup, so I definitely want to try to do the lash thing. I like the look of lash extensions better than like strip lashes. I just think they look prettier sometimes. Not like the overly like dramatically thick ones, but I've seen like lash extensions done the right way, and they actually look really pretty and natural. So that's kind of why I just wanted to try this out, and I'm glad I just had these leftover ones from a little while ago. I really don't know how much I need. Maybe like 4 per eye or something. But yeah, I also have heard lash extensions kind of ruin your eyelashes, so I don't know if you guys have experience with that. Definitely let me know, because I've never tried lash extensions. I'm like always doing just the regular strip lashes. Yeah. I'm really thinking about making an upload schedule, just so you guys have a better idea as to when to expect my videos. I'm still trying to think of like a day that works for me best and a time. I'm trying to like look at my analytics and see like when people are like the most active, like what time people are mostly on, because I don't want to like pick a time where like, you know, it doesn't really work for people. So YouTube does, like if you have a YouTube channel, it does like tell you that type of information, like, you know, your viewers, like mostly male, mostly female, the ages, you know, like the times people are most active. So trying to like actually work out an upload schedule so it's not so all over the place and like kind of random, because that's kind of like what I've been doing, just like, you know, whenever I can get something up. I feel like I want to just be a little bit more organized with my my videos and my content and stuff. And I also will not be putting these under my eyes. I'm just gonna put them on top. Okay, first of all, that's way too high. This just takes so much more time to These definitely are not going to last like very long, so I need to like research glue that will actually keep them on. Maybe putting them like underneath my eyes actually might work. I don't really know. I just kind of wanted to do this. I just thought it would be like fun for the day type of thing, and then I'm gonna take them off at nighttime. But I actually really think they're cute. I just kind of like mixed up like the medium and the short ones and just kind of like didn't put them in any particular order. I did try to keep the longer ones or the medium ones more like on the outside of my eye. I don't know. So I'm still going to add some mascara though. I actually took my shower this morning, which I never do. It actually feels nice to just shower like at the start of your day. So I might start doing that a little bit more often, especially on the weekends. I don't know. I think that I like the feeling of doing that. Yeah, I never shower in the mornings, like ever. I always shower at nighttime. I don't really know what I'm gonna do for my hair. My natural hair, which is like, you know, this part up top is so oily. And I just washed it like not that long ago. I used to go like pretty long stretches of time without washing my hair. I was just way too lazy to do it, but I'm trying to be a little bit more on top of it. But guys, my skin is oily, so my hair gets oily so quick. Like if I want to wear my hair down or put extensions in, I have like a good 3 to 4 day window to like make that work. And right now I think my hair is like 4 days like post wash. Pigtails. I look like Pippi Longstocking. Okay. Okay guys, so before I start my nails, I just wanted to, where's my fork? I don't even know where I put my fork, but I wanted to make a quick little snack. So I just made this really delicious chopped salmon salad. It has like so many different things in it. We have some cranberries, some salmon, we have arugula, spinach. I crushed up my croutons because I don't like when they're too big. And then some Parmesan is in there. And then I just have a cold glass of water here. I don't really know why, but I've been craving salads a little bit lately. I made this exact salad last night and it was so good. So before I do my nails, I'm going to eat this. I also put sweet potato fries in our air fryer. And I know the two, I don't know, I feel like I just wanna like nibble on little things. So I just have like a side of sweet potato fries that are cooking. I know it doesn't really sound like it goes together, but I don't know, I just need something to like fill my stomach before dinner time. So yeah, I'm gonna eat this and then we're gonna start nails. And I think that might be it. I don't really have anything else in mind, like self-care wise. I just really wanna get my nails done. And yeah, because my nails, especially my toes, they look really crusty. So I'm excited to do those. I just want to change into something a little bit more comfortable. So now I'm about to do my nails. I kind of did a lot of stuff in between. I ate my salad, ate my sweet potato fries, took Mila out, let her do her business, did the dishes. Now we're here. So after all that, I was like, let me change into something a little bit more comfortable so I can do my nails. I think Blake and I are still going out to the grocery store, so I'm going to try and complete my nails before that. Yes, I'm using a toenail clipper to clip my nails because I do not know where the fingernail clipper is, so there's that. Yeah. So this is the finished product of my nails. I actually like how they came out. They were a little bit longer before, so I just cut them down and just did like a really simple light pink polish. I still have to like clean up around my cuticles a little bit, but so far this is how they look. So this is the gel polish I used. It says no UV needed, and I mean that's fine because I don't have a UV light anyway. I just like put this color on. I don't know what color it is. Let me see if there's a... The color is Sweetheart, and I really love this. It's like a really cute, pretty nude pink. And then I just put this over top of it. I got both of these from Walmart, I think. This is Kiss, a gel shine like nail top coat. So these are the two that I used for my nails. My dominant hand is my right hand, so I was kind of struggling with my left hand, but I think it came out pretty okay. Okay guys, so I will be ending the video right here. I just wanted to do like a self-care Saturday, self-care type of day, so I really hope you guys enjoyed watching. My nails are still a little bit wet, so I'm just gonna wait for these to dry. And I haven't done my toes yet, but I need to wait for my nails to dry. I should have done my toes first, but yeah. So if you guys enjoyed this video, if you would like to see more videos from me every week, be sure to subscribe to my channel. We're almost to 1K, so that's so exciting. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.